So congratulations, Abhishek, to get a job as an operations engineering trainee at Vermilion Energy. How are you feeling?
Oh, thank you so much. I'm feeling awesome. I'm feeling great, and thank you so much, guys. Yeah.
So what were your job search challenges before Orbit 5 and how did they affect your confidence and approach, Abhishek?
So before Orbit 5, to be honest, like I graduated and then I was very confused on what job title should I apply, and that was making me nervous. And also, even if I got interview, I was not able to perform well, and so the Orbit 5's session helped me a lot first to understand what roles are fit for me, and also how should I approach in my interview to uh, tackle those roles.
So basically it helps you to get more awareness about your profile and increase your confidence in the interviews or on resume when you apply for the job, right? That's
Yes,
amazing.
yeah, definitely.
My next question is what aspect of the Get Hired program were most valuable for your job search?
Yeah, so the first and foremost was the resume session because it gave me a very good understanding of how to write a resume that's actually actually gets picked up in the Canadian market. And after that, also the one-on-one sessions with you and in the interview, and you and David, they were really awesome. They were really helpful, and also the Shark Tank challenges because it was kind of an innovative way on how to tackle interview. So that
Yeah,
was
so
really
at
fun.
Shark Tank way, we just created this approach to help people to get a job without even applying.
Yeah,
And I
and that's what.
believe that you haven't applied for this job, right?
Yeah, I didn't apply for this job.
So how did you get this job, right? Like without even applying?
Yeah, so during the Get Hire program, like, and also before that, think I came to know about the importance of the LinkedIn, and through you and David helping me to optimize my LinkedIn, and also keeping me motivated to create content and post on LinkedIn helped me. So I used to write a blog during my undergrad, and that I started continuing after my masters, and I wrote one blog on Medium, and then I posted that on LinkedIn, and it was in September, and things didn't it doesn't happen like so quickly, but in December my hiring manager, like my boss, asked me for a coffee chat over LinkedIn that he wants to talk to me. And then in the coffee chat, he didn't he asked me a few of the questions, and the way I was talking about exactly linked with my LinkedIn profile. So it is very necessary when you show something on LinkedIn, when you submit someone in real person, that should perfectly align. So the things that I showed on LinkedIn perfectly aligned with what I talked, and through that, my boss asked me to go on coffee chat with his boss, and then so technically, indirectly, that coffee chats were interview. I was asked technical questions, but yeah, then I was hired. They offered me a position.
This is an amazing story because usually job seekers they ask for the coffee chat to the hiring managers or recruiters, but in your case, hiring managers they asked you for to get an interview, a coffee chat, right? An informational interview about yourself just because the content that you were posting or Shark Tank way you were using for your job search. I love this story, man.
Thank
So
you. Even I sometimes don't. I'm not able to believe, but yeah, this happened.
yeah, man. Yeah, man. My next question is, can you share a transformational moment during your Orbit 5 experience that changed your job search approach or mindset?
Yeah. So one of the thing that like clearly was like explained in the Get Hire program was like pre and spray method don't work. So like just applying or sending easy apply, or just applying on the applying through Indeed or some any other won't help. You have to make one more step, or not even one. You have to go and make 10 more steps in order to get that interview or get even that call from the recruiter. So that was one of the transformative moment, because Earlier I was just applying, and it gives satisfaction to your brain, but it won't be giving you interviews.
Absolutely. Applying a job is just a beginning. After that, you have to network, you have to make sure that your profile is directly going to the hiring manager's hand.
Yeah.
Absolutely. So, Abhishek, tell us about a moment that landed a job and how Orbital's coaching contribute to achieving this success.
Yeah. So, like before this position, obviously I had like few interviews, and whenever I got any kind of interview, I used to reach out to you and David, and then you used to set up a like kind of a mock interview round, and also went through the resumes and one like and the cover letter and things you should talk in the interview. So like this happened 2 3 times, and also like this coffee chat was I reached out and then I asked for suggestions, and then that helped me.
Yeah, I still remember, right? Like you used to record yourself answering all the behavioral questions and send it to me, and then I used to send you the voice note and give you the feedback. And I believe, I think like that help that all hard work paid off, man. Right?
Yeah, definitely. And I would say that really helped, because once you start doing behavioral questions like this, then they you kind of get it by heart, and then you say these things naturally without being conscious. So that really helped me.
Absolutely, absolutely. So, Abhishek, like, in what ways has your confidence and your self perception changed from you started with Orbit 5 to now and after landing a job?
I would say I improved a lot, because like I after graduating and then sudden tech layoff markets, like there was tech layoff market in the news, and then that I had lost confidence in Canadian market, and like all the friends who were not getting hired were also kind of demotivating me that no, there's not a good place to, and then some like all the news about reverse migration. So yeah, it really I was really down, but I still didn't give up. And then I joined Get Hire program. I kept myself motivated. You guys kept me motivated. And then the main, like because of this motivation, and like I stayed applying, stayed in this mission, and I got hired. So you guys kept me motivated.
Yeah, so job searching is very frustrating process, Abhishek, right? And what I believe you require a community to support you, and I'm grateful that like I'll be able to provide all my students that community through Get Hard program and through Orbit 5. My last question for you is like, what would you say to someone who is considering the Get Hard program but hesitant to enroll?
Uh, yeah, so I would say first of all, get enroll yourself without having any questions, because there are many there are many unanswered questions that you cannot even find on LinkedIn, and you cannot find on Instagram, and you cannot find on internet. And there are so many other like like people who say they are career coaches, but sometimes you can get distracted by them as well. So I would say get into Get Hire program, because they will give you the right guidance, and they will keep you on track the whole time.
Thank you so much, Abhishek, for your time. Again, congratulations and wish you a good luck for your future endeavors.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Rohit.